Okay, I have this Dorma Slade keyway lock 7-pin that I purchased off eBay. Purchased 3 of these. This one has been heavily modified. All the chambers in it are threaded all the way through into the plug. The pins in the bottom are serrated. The pins in the top are all different. Every one of the pins are different. They're not the same, so you don't get the same feeling out of them. There are no really spools in this. Maybe partial mushroom spools, and they're all serrated. So let's open this lock up and look at the pins. I do not have any key for this lock. So let's go to the back of the lock and let's start at the back. Got a little bit out of pin 5, I believe, very little. Okay, a little bit out of pin 4. It keeps hanging, sliding down the warding and hanging up. Okay, there was pin 3 then. Check these pins on the way back to the back. Okay, pin 2. Pin 1. Pin 2 again. I believe that's pin 3 and 2. Now we're on pin 1. Okay, a little bit more out of pin 3. Felt like 4 moved just a little bit, not much. Okay, there's some more on pin 3. Okay, some on pin 1. Okay, got a little false set then out of pin 7. Okay, a little bit out of pin 2. A little bit more of a false set. A little bit more out of pin 1. Still getting a little feedback off pin 1. Let's go back to the back again. Okay, pin 1, it's open. Let's make sure we don't lose it since we don't have a key. Okay, let's open it up and look at the pins. See, I want to try to keep this into camera view. See if we can get this out. Okay, there we go. Okay, you can see all 7 pins are in the plug. One and 2. Whoops, that number 7 fell out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4 wants to hang. 4, 5, 6, and 7. They are all serrated. Let's check the plug. Okay, every chamber is serrated in the plug. Very deep serrations. Okay, let's check our top pins. Get that zoom back out where we can see the... Okay, on pin 1, come out just like this. Pin 2, like this. Pin 3, like this. Pin 4. Number 5. Number 6. And I'm just going to let number 7 fall out. Okay. Alright, we'll take a real close look at those. But as you can see, I have put little screws in the top here, hold the springs in. But these chambers are all threaded. All the way through. I believe you can see the threading. Alright, let's take a close look at the pins. Okay, these are the first 3 pins that are in the lock. See if I can get a little bit closer look at each pin to show you that they are different. None of them are the same. Okay, this one has a sharp edge on the very bottom of it, which is number 1. This one has a very deep cut similar to a spool, and then a serration here. Okay, these next 2, this is similar to a trampoline type pin. All these pins are homemade, more or less is what you want to call them. They're not factory. This is a little bit taller spool or pin, serrated and cut. The key pins are all serrated. These 2 are even a little bit different. This one's similar to the last spool, but not exactly. I mean, the last pin, but not exactly. And this one here is another similar pin, but they're all a little different. Okay, there's deep serrations on this number 7 pin. This is a mushroom type pin. on this one. So that's what we have in this 7-pin Dorma with a Slade keyway. Been heavily modified. Alright, I appreciate your time. Appreciate you watching. Please stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal. And thank you very much.